students, welcome back to MS YouTube channel. As you are aware that I have completed chapter 6, that is changes around us in online sessions. From today I am going to start the chapter number 7 of our syllabus, that is getting to know plants. Means from in this chapter we will come to know, we will get more information about plants. As you know, plants or we can say trees are very much useful for human being. Plants or trees बहुत useful है हमारे लिए because it gives many things to us. Trees are giving many things to us, so it's our duty to we have to grow more and more trees and we don't cut the trees, because all living organisms are depend only and only on the trees and only and only on the plants, because main oxygen which we are breathing, that we are getting from the plants only. The food, the shelter, the animals are getting shelter there on the trees. So in this chapter we will learn about more information about plants, as you studied in your lower grades about the parts of the plant, that is fruit, stem, root, leaves, etc., etc. But in this chapter you will learn many different things, that is a types of fruit, a types of leaves, then in leaves also, जैसे lamina, bean, midrib, in this also many types are there. So in this chapter our main 4 things that we will learn about herbs, shrubs and trees. As you know, plants is divided into 3 categories: herb, shrubs and trees. What are the herbs? Herbs means kya, that I will later on I will explain you. Then you will learn about stem, then you will learn about leaf, root and flower. About these 5 things I am going to teach you in this chapter. Now starting with chapter, plants are usually grouped into herbs, shrubs, trees and climber based on the height, nature of stems and branches. Plants are mainly divided into herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers, trees, etc. and according to their height and according to the nature of the stems. Right? Herbs means क्या होता है? The plants which are, मैं बिल्कुल easy example जैसे आपको समझाऊं, which are smaller in size, आपसे बहुत छोटे हो. Right? Herbs means a very small in size. Then shrub means थोड़े ही आपके height जितने हो बोलो. And trees that are a very long for अपनी तुम्हारी height से भी ऊपर. Herbs means तुम्हारी height के बहुत कम. Then shrubs means हमारी height जितनी might be और से थोड़े कम. और trees मतलब हमारी height से थोड़े जो हमारे height से बहुत ज़्यादा. So in these 3 group plants are divided: herb, shrub, trees. Now climbers. What are the climbers? The trees which can grow with the support. ऐसे trees जो support के साथ grow होते हैं, that are known as climbers. For example, money plant you have observed at your home. कभी भी वो ऊपर नहीं grow होता है, वो नीचे नीचे grow होता जाता है, तो वो एक दूसरे के branches का support होता है, तो that are known as climbers. Then creepers. Creepers are that kind of plants जो tree पे grow नहीं हो सकते हैं. They are growing on the जो बिल्कुल धरती पे नीचे grow हो, उनको हम लोग we are calling creepers. Plants with weak stem and that take support of neighboring structures and climber are called climbers. जैसे आपको मैंने एग्जांपल दिया मनी प्लांट का, उसको हम क्लाइंब करते हैं. जैसे वो प्लांट मनी प्लांट ग्रो होता जाता है, उसको हम लोग ऊपर काफी क्लाइंब कर जाते हैं, तो that are known as climbers. While those that cannot stand upright and spread on the ground are called creepers. और ऐसे plants जो ground पे होते हैं, that are known as creepers. जैसे pumpkin है vegetable, जैसे वो tree पे grow नहीं हो सकती because the weight of the pumpkin is very much high. उसका जो weight होता है वो बहुत high होता है, तो वो tree पे grow नहीं हो सकते हैं, इसलिए creeper जो है वो नीचे grow होते हैं. So प्लांट्स के मैंने आपको पार्ट्स बता दिए. तो कौन कौन से प्लांट्स थे? हमारा फर्स्ट था हर्ब, देन हमारा था shrub, then third one we are that having tree, then climbers, and the last 5th one that are creepers. Right? Fifth one कौन सा है? Creepers. So these in five. These are the five categories in which plants are divided. Herb means हमारे size के बिल्कुल छोटे, shrub means हमारे height जितने, tree means longer than our height, climbers means जो climb होके grow होते हैं, money plant, and creepers means I have given a pumpkin example. It's very heavy in weight, so it grows on the ground. Now the main parts of the plant are, in chapter first also I have told you, the main parts of the plant are root, stem, leaf, flower and fruit. These are the main parts of the plant. Now we will learn about in detail about each and every plant. So I am going to start the first part, that is root. First हम लोग किसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे? First we are going to learn about root. It is a part of plant that remains under the ground. It is a part of the plant that remains under the ground. ये ऐसा part का plant है जो ground के अंदर रहता है, right? Now what is the function of the root? Root का function क्या है? They absorb water and minerals from the soil and anchor the plant firmly in the soil. Water और minerals absorb करती है root और जो प्लांट्स को सपोर्ट करते हैं ग्रो होने में, मतलब प्लांट्स ग्रो होते हैं. ठीक है, हम लोग ये सपोज मैंने आपको बताया अभी कि हम सॉइल के नीचे अंदर होते हैं, रूट्स सॉइल के नीचे है, तो वी आर एडिंग वाटर, तो सारा पानी पहले रूट्स पे चला जाएगा एंड रूट्स इट दे ऑब्जर्व वाटर एंड मिनरल्स फ्रॉम द सॉइल एंड एंकर द प्लांट फर्मली इन द सॉइल. नाउ द टाइप्स ऑफ रूट, देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ रूट व्हिच आर दे टैप रूट and fibrous root. There are two types of root. First is the tap root and second one is fibrous root. Tap root और fibrous root are clearly able to see कि tap root कौन सी होती है. Suppose एक ही root है, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ tap root की तरह क्या, एक ही root है और बहुत सारे उसके अलग-अलग नीचे ब्रांच ये roots जा रहे हैं, that we are calling a tap root. तो बहुत सारे इनके आगे जा रहे हैं, तो that we can call a tap root. और फिब्रस रूट में देख रहे हो आप कि कोई एक पर्टिकुलर ब्रांच, कोई एक पर्टिकुलर रूट नहीं है, बहुत सारे रूट यहाँ पे अलग-अलग ऐसे ही जा रहे हैं, मींस कोई भी साथ में अरेंज्ड नहीं है, तो दैट वी आर कॉलिंग अ फिब्रस रूट. और टैप रूट में फिर से देख रहे हो आप लोग कि एक ही सिर्फ रूट है और उसके बाजू में दूसरी रूट्स ग्रो हो रही है, बट इन फिब्रस रूट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि सारे अलग-अलग हमें रूट्स वो दिख रहे हैं. सो दीस आर द टू टाइप ऑफ रूट्स. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस नेम, taproot and fibrous root. And if you want to draw this diagram in a notebook for practice, you can draw. Just look at the diagram clearly, the two different kind of root which I have drawn. So I am actually repeating again about root. Root is located under the ground, वो ground के नीचे है. उसका what is the function? They absorb water and minerals from the soil. वो मिट्टी में से water and minerals absorb करते हैं and it gives to the plant that plant what needs. Plants को पता है आपको soil and minerals it wants for proper growth. Okay, and two types of root are taproot and fibrous root. Now it's a diagram of leaf, right? आप लोग को पता होगा किसका diagram है ये leaf. Now I am moving forward to second part of the plant, that is leaf. Now what is the function of leaf? Just we are looking. These are either stuck to the stem or the branches. यहाँ तो ये stem पे attach होती है, यहाँ तो ये branches पे होते हैं. Function of leaf, they conduct photosynthesis and transpiration. Leaves are conduct photosynthesis. What is the meaning of photosynthesis? As you know, leaf is known as the kitchen of the plant. Leaf is known as the kitchen of the plant because leaf is preparing the food for the plant and it passes the food into the all parts of the plant. हम लोग kitchen of the plant कौन सा होता है leaf में. Now what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process which is used by plants to prepare their food by themselves with using sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water. These are the four things which plants are using: water, sunlight, carbon dioxide and warm sunlight, chlorophyll. These are the four things which plants are used during the process of photosynthesis. इस process में plants इन चारों elements को they are using these four elements and they are preparing food by themselves. ये जो हमारा food वो अपने आप ही बनाते हैं. आपको देखो plants are very much independent, right? They are preparing their food by themselves. वो लोग अपना खाना भी खुद बनाते हैं, and also they are providing a many thing to us, but still many of the people, we as people, still we are not kind to our nature, still we are harming to our nature. अभी तक हम लोग अपने नेचर को हम डिस्ट्रॉय करते जा रहे हैं. See students, if we will destroy our nature, the result only we have to look. उसका रिजल्ट होगा वो हमको ही मिलेगा बेटा. जैसे ही हम प्लांट्स कट करते जाएंगे, प्लांट्स कट करते जाएंगे, we will not get a free, a fresh oxygen to breathe. हमको ऑक्सीजन भी बेटा नहीं मिलेगी अगर हमने बहुत सारे प्लांट्स को, ट्रीज को हम कट करते गए. Yes, we human beings are cutting down trees for our selfish reasons only. हमारे खुद के पर्सनल रीजंस के लिए हम लोग सारे प्लांट्स काटते जाते हैं. तो इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट दैट वी हैव टू ग्रो, and even we all have to grow more and more plants. Okay, so this was what is the function of leaf? You have to remember the function, right? They conduct photosynthesis and transpiration. Photosynthesis I have explained you. Transpiration means it helps plants to make a food and to transform the food which they have prepared to all other parts of the plant. Now the parts of the leaf. A leaf has the 4 C parts you are able to see. First is this is petioles. जो leaf की एक डंडी होती है, that is known as petiole. What we are calling it? Petiole. P-E-T-I-O-L-E. P-E-T-I-O-L-E. Then जो आपको बीच में rib दिख रही है, तो this rib we are calling midrib. जो leaf के बीच में line दिख रही है बेटा, I am doing with a white color also. With this we can call the midrib. Now what is this? जो leaf का आपने देखा होगा leaf cover proper, तो leaf के से 2 sides होते हैं. ये है एक vein, V-E-I-N. This is known as vein. And the fourth and last part is lamina. जो leaf का ये बाहर वाला structure है, this is known as a lamina. So they are the 4 parts of the leaf. Petiole means जो line होती है, जो डंडी होती है leaf that is called petiole. Then जो बीच में line होती है, that is known as midrib. Then ये वाली line है, that is known as vein. And this one is known as lamina. Now moving forward, and what is the functions of this? The part of a leaf by which it is attached to the stem is called a petiole. जो part के साथ attached to ये leaf, that is the part is called as petiole. The broad green part of the leaf is called lamina. और lamina किसको बोलते हैं? Broad green part of the leaf is known as lamina. And midrib means the line which passes between the leaf is known as midrib. And there are 2 lines on the leaves, right? आपको 2 ऐसे structure दिख रहे हैं, तो उस lines को that we are calling a veins. मैंने एक में arrow किया, that why I have written vein over here. But अगर सारा को हम लोग we can call a veins. I'm explaining again because these are the very new words for you students. The part of a leaf by which it is attached by the stem is called petiole. जो जिस part से वो attached है, that part we are calling a petiole. And the broad green part is called lamina. जो broad green part होता है, मैंने green से इसलिए draw किया है आपका, जो broad green part है, that we call a lamina. And the line which is passes between leaf, that is known as midrib. And these are structures जो line leaf के अंदर है, that is called a vein. I hope that you have understood about this chapter. That today I have discussed in how many categories the plants are classified in 5 categories. And today I have covered the 2 main parts of the plant. The first one is root, and root is divided into 2 types: taproot and fibrous root. And leaf I have covered also. It is divided into 4 parts: petiole, midrib, vein, lamina. So I hope you understood about the 2 main parts of the plant. Whatever doubts you are having related to this video, you can ask from me on online sessions. Thank you and have a nice day.